Hey everybody, today I am changing a light bulb. So this light up here has never worked. Um, the thing behind the panel there. We've been in this house since 2016, so like almost 4 years. And it works intermittently. Sometimes you turn the switch on and it works, and sometimes it doesn't. So I looked for replacement bulbs. They're not available. The last place I went to, they told me that the standards have changed. So it's a 45 watt, like a U-shaped thing. I don't know what you call these. Looks like this. Anyway, so the standards have changed. So I had a choice between 36 and 55 watt. So I'm changing it to 55. Liam was with me again today. Liam can say hi. Okay. Liam is running around, and the story is he's a machine. He's eating things. He's an eating machine. So so I'm changing this bulb. I'm also changing the ballast because I don't know if a lot of times the lights don't come on because the ballasts are finished. So I'm changing both parts. Here's the thanks, Liam. Yeah, thanks. That's a good thanks. Thanks a lot. Here's the ballast here. So first thing is to turn off the breaker. Mine is behind a wall of shoes. Okay, so this means lights. So I'm turning that one off. Let's see what happens. Good. So now I can work safely. There's a there's like a easy connector thing here. So this is useful because I can just connect the wire there. I don't have to splice wires. So that's handy. I need to somehow connect the wires to this thing here. I may have to splice these wires. So the challenging part is this thing here, the part that connects into the bulb. I don't really know how to get the wires out of here, so I'm going to have to inspect this a little bit closer. There's a little bit of plastic in here that I'm going to try to take out because I think I'll be able to, maybe not. Thing is, I don't really understand how this thing works. I think it's probably a flat screwdriver. So I took down the entire box so that I can have a closer look at this connection here. I'm pretty sure that electricians don't do it this way, but what I'm trying to do is take out this plastic panel so that I can disconnect the old wires and connect the new wires. So there seems to be a little slot where I can, so I'm trying to get this open. I think I just broke it, so that's good.
You just broke it?
I think so. Yay. Alright, I didn't break it. And then somehow I'm supposed to disconnect these wires. I think I had the right idea with the flat screwdriver. It just doesn't seem to be. I think my screwdriver is too small. Or sorry, too big. So there's a groove in there. I thought if I put the flat screwdriver in there, I could take the cable out. I've got a set of mini tongs here that came with the screwdriver set, so I'll try that. Okay, that works. So you need something that's really small. So just using the wire like this and sticking it in the connector doesn't work because these are tinned, so they're thicker, so they hold. This wire doesn't hold, so I'm going to try taking a little bit more wire, bending it in half, and using a thicker connection like that. If that still doesn't work, then I'll try tinning them. Looks like I need to do some soldering. Or I think what I'll do is I'll keep these connections like this. These are already tinned, so I'm just going to keep these, and then I'll splice the white and gray cables. Stop sticking! Splice these cables with the new, what's it called? The new ballast. So I decided to finish working without the camera because I found it completely impossible to do anything with the camera. So I'll just kind of show the result. So the box is set up. I got my spliced wires here. A new light bulb is in there. The black wire connects to the yellow one here, and then the neutral with neutral. So I'm putting the panel back on. I tripped the breaker back on. So Liam, you want to turn it on? You want to go turn on the new light? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you reach? Hey, good. All right. New light to play with. And that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Keep building.
Why did you say keep building?